What up, YouTube? It's the OG back with another video. Got a package in and I had cracked it open. I said, yo, wait a minute. I gotta do a video to this shit. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what I got and shit. I've been waiting on these for a minute, you know. I got like about 3 or 4 other shoes I'm waiting on. The mail is just all the way jacked up, backed up like a motherfucker, right? But anyway, my size. Got these shits. Icy blue soles. DS. Man, I really like these, man. Like I told y'all in my previous video, I'm trying to get my J's back together, you know? So, just bear with me. I know y'all done seen these a million times. So, yeah, this the other one right here. Yep. Just had to shoot me a quick little video. If y'all would like to see an on foot of these, leave your comments down below. I'll do it on foot too, you know. Yeah. But yeah, that's basically it. I know this video kind of short. I'm trying to take it up to like at least 2 minutes. That's the soul of them. I don't know if the light picking that shit up. Back 23 right there. I know y'all done seen it, like I said, a million times. I'm just showing that I got mine. That's the jump man on the tongue, like a little carpet. That's the back right there. Yep. Alright, YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate everyone for stopping by as always.